Hi guys, welcome to my video. So
Yo, what's up?
we're making a bird trap for some reason, and we're eating this. So we're actually making a bird trap so we can catch birds for some reason, just for fun, right?
It's Sunday. Yo, are we bigger or what?
Yes, we are.
Yo, what the fuck? So we're building a bear trap today.
Bird.
I mean bear trap.
Yeah. Okay,
I don't learn English.
okay. So this is like the results, like we did it before. This is like the results. It's not like that much. So we just have to do this. So if like a bird comes to it, we're gonna put some bread. Then the bird comes there, then we just will shed it with a string. The string, yeah. So yeah, but don't mind this. I don't know what happened. But I feel like what about we can do it like a stand, and these two goes like this. What about that? Actually, never mind. Let's do it like that. But we need to put the string. But how are we supposed to put it together? Oh, so one is for you, one is for me. Like this is for me, this is you. So we can shut it.
No.
But how are we supposed to see the bird coming there? We're literally at the back. I didn't think about that. So I'm gonna face a camera on it so I can see. So I can see them. Voila. Yeah. So wow, can you see that? Wait, why is my head? What do you think our chances are? What the Sigma? That's cringe. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe.
And then we're gonna build the window. But the side of here, measure it's tiny, not big. So you get like a kitchen knife, but not a real knife. A butter knife.
Yeah, butter knife, but we will show you a tutorial like soon. Like maybe when we get a box, we will show you a tutorial for them. I need to look at my hands. I mean, like that.
So it's supposed to look out like this. Can you guys see it? And that's wait, actually make it a little bit like bigger than mine.
But guys, you're supposed to have bread, like a lot of bread, so you can try over it and over again. No, but they need air. They need air, you know.
Supposed to look out like this.
Yeah, like that.
And it's supposed to be the same. What do you mean?
No, they need to breathe, man. Actually, let me do it. Give it
Nah,
to me.
I'm
Why
doing
don't
it.
you trust me?
Calm down.
Malinis siya sa kanina, guys.
just trying to get some chicken feet, bro.
I am in love with chicken feet, okay?
What if we use this as chickens?
I don't know. Let's try with the plush first. I'm just making a lot of those.
Naging Yume at Marcos ang pangalan
You
ng ano.
switched it.
No!
Tapos Albert Christian ang pangalan.
Look!
Ano yung...
No, mommy!
Oh, Yume and Marcos. Tapos yung email kay daddy. Yan.
No, there's Johan too! Right, Johan? What? Yeah, Johan is at the end, but I'm gonna change
Meron
it.
ako remote.
I'm going to change it tomorrow. In 3 days. I have to wait for 3 days, then I can change it.
No?
Yes, I need to wait 14 days to
So
change
it's
my
supposed
name.
to look like this. So the other window is supposed to be like a rectangle, and the other one, mine was kind of not good because it's supposed to be a square.
So guys, so if you want to catch a bird and you want them to make breed, just make sure to like get a toothpick or like a kitchen knife.
number nila. So, yun yung
So the bird can
Una natin
breed.
gagatasan
But if you
ay
don't wanna,
C77.
but if it has window, you kind of don't need
So,
it.
yung mga kambing
But
ginagatasan
if you
natin
don't,
yan,
if
So
I
you
don't
just
want,
need to do this,
but if you don't want like a window, you can just do this.
and you
But
just
make sure to be careful with the kitchen knife.
and you just need to do circles.
Lilinisan muna yung kanilang mga other para masigurado natin na malinis at walang sasamang dumi sa mga datas na makukuha natin. Pangalawa po ay dapat na i-discard muna natin yan kasi maaaring nandun sa unahan ay yung mga presence ng mga
So we're
mikrobyo.
Filipinos, yeah. So my family speaks Filipino. We're watching Filipino. If you're Filipino, like and subscribe. But if you're not, it's okay. But you can
At
still
kung
have.
77 sa ngayon ay
You can
nasa
call
1
it too.
liter yung kanyang production.
Para raw hindi sila mahirapan sa mga kambing, pinapakain nilang mga ito habang kanila rin ginagatasan.
Ito ay nag-iengganyo sa kanila para sila ay kusa na pumupunta dito sa Philippines natin. Pag yung unang
That's what
beses
it's
na sila ay
supposed to look like.
gagatasan,
I guess-
minsan ay nagpupumiglas sila.
Oh, what the?
Pagkatapos gatasan ng mga
Just try to
kambing,
make a circle like
pinapahiran ang
this.
kanilang other ng isang solution. Kung tawagin,
Para make-sure natin na maiwasan yung infection.
No, broccoli has a baby.
umaba
Wait,
ang
what is it?
buhay
Wait.
o shelf life.
What if Mia watch this
Goods
video?
nila, papainitan ito sa kanilang
Bro,
customization
the
area.
That's too big, man.
So maybe
Para naman maengganyo ang mga
Bro, the
titik
bird
na
can
paminog
fit
ng
me.
gatas ng kambing.
I
Dinahaluan
mean,
nila ito
a
ng
bird supposed to be
chocolate
look like
or
this.
milk.
that big.
Oh, yeah.
But first you need to be more taller.
Lalagyan na natin yung
Yeah, okay.
Opo ay chocolate pa. Ito na natin ilalagyan yung ating goat syrup.
You may punch it. Punch it inside.
Chocolate? I think it's a bit better than cow.
So yeah, but first you need to make it more taller.
Na protina, calcium, phosphorus at potassium. Ito ay mayaman sa vitamin A, riboflavin
Guys,
o
don't do
vitamin
that.
B, niacin o vitamin B3. So meron itong medium chain fatty acids na madaling tunawin.
Ang kalidad ng gatas na huhusgahan hindi sa tatak o pangalan, kundi sa ibinibigay
So,
nitong
yeah.
gatas at sustansya sa katawan. Grade 9 student sa Valencia,
Grabe,
Bukidnon.
grabe to, oh.
Ngayong
Bata
araw
pinugutan
nang
ng ulo.
nawawala at napagpuan
Bata pinugutan
wala
ng
ng ulo. Na sino ang may gawa ng karumal-dumal na krimen ito?
Yan.
Pagtutubo ang isa sa pangunahing kabuhayan ng mga tiga-barangay Dagat Kidabao sa Valencia City sa Bukidnon. Sa ere, matatanaw ang ekta-ektaryang plantasyon ng tubo. Ang mga
Because
puno
we're
ay
not a
nagpastao.
Come here.
Wala talaga.
Mahadlok na naman yung ano yun. Wow, di ba kayo?
Okay, let me put it
At ang
Not me.
Kaya kung sakaling makapasok ka rito, para ka na rin nawalan sa kawalan. Napakadelikado.
So guys, this
Sakaling
is
hindi mangyari sa'yo dito, stick lang agad na makakarinig o makakasaklolo. Kaya, kayang-kaya rin magtago. Nino man.
hindi ka pwede man mataguan sa mga kriminal.
Katunayan, ito lang January 6, lingit sa kaalaman.
You made a mess. You made a mess.
Ang biktima, pinuputan ng ulo.
9 years.
Siya ang grade 9 student na si Jennifer, 2 araw nang nawawala.
Abdalagita pala.
Hindi matamis ang tubo sa bahagi ito ng taniman sa Bukidnon. Nakatakan kasi ng tubo. January 6, Martes, ordinaryong araw lang na pumasok si Jennifer sa eskwelahan. Pero nagtaka ang kanyang kapatid na si Donna na mag-aalas 5 na ng hapon. Hindi pa rin ito nakakauwi.
Dili siya laagat o gusto siya maglakaw, manangit siya sa kuang. First time na din, ginatawagan ako siya kay gatutot na yung cellphone ba.
Dahil dito, tumawag na si Donna sa kanilang inang si Dina na nagtatrabaho sa kabilang bayan.
Hindi mo na ako nagpanay, baka ano lang si Jennifer, sumasama lang sa classmate. Hanggang alas 7, alas 8, ana, yung lang ginagawa ko sir, ring lang na ring sa cellphone. Kaban ako sir, hindi man ugalit ni Jennifer na hindi magsagot kung magtawagan ko po siya.
Lumipas ang magdamag, si Jennifer hindi pa rin
So
nagpaparamdam.
this.
Hindi ako nakatulog sir.
This,
Ano,
this.
una na, saka alas 2, 5 p.m. Tawagan naman niya ang atin, hindi nakauwi. Sabi ko, hindi na kumaganta.
And you need to like
Umuwi
cut
na ng
like
Valencia.
this
Masakay na ako ng bus, kuling ko sa cellphone niya.
and like this.
Tapos nag-ring 4 or 5 minutes. Tapos may mag-cancel sir. Hindi na to Jennifer ang nagawak sa cellphone.
Ayon sa guro ni Jennifer na si Ma'am Leslie, maaga naman daw si Jennifer.
4 p.m. Lumabas po sila kasama ang kanilang mga kaibigan. Yun na rin po ang huling recess na nakita ko siya.
And boom. And that's it. And if you have a box like this, this,
Ang kanyang pamilya lumapit na
this,
sa albularyo.
Pinipitit yung mata niya. Pagbilat sa mata niya,
and this.
kung
No,
ano katubukan.
no,
Wala nang buhay.
this.
Mula na